We've got some breaking crypto news to talk about, guys, as it relates to regulation. And the Senate banking chair just released their long-awaited market structure discussion draft. Eleanor Tourette was all over this, formerly at Fox Business, now over at Crypto America. Eleanor has been on the channel here before, and she's all over this news story. I wanted to get you guys updated on it. There are some other important crypto details and updates we're going to discuss in this video. Make sure you guys stick around until the end of the video. Also, subscribe to the channel if you have not already. And before we jump in, guys, I got to show you something real quick here. This is a free crypto newsletter. You can download it now, get signed up. You're going to get this 3 times a week right into your inbox. Crypto updates, alpha, this is all surrounding a plan for you to generate more wealth in crypto. It is my free newsletter. Sign up for free. Name and email is all we need, and you're going to be on the list. You're going to get all of the insights and details coming at you 3 times a week into your inbox. Highly encourage you guys to check it out. I'll leave it at the top description as the top description link right here in the video. All right. And I'll also pin it as the top comment for you as well. So get this free newsletter right now, link right down below. So just in, guys, this is what's going on. Their long-awaited market structure discussion draft. This has to do with the Clarity Act, but it's also building on what Cynthia Lummis and Gillibrand have been doing. And it takes aim at a couple different things. And we'll talk about these in a little bit more detail after we list them off, and why I think this is so important and relevant, and some of the things we need to look out for and watch for in order to make some moves here in the market. All right. And we will take a look at some price action and things like that later on in the video. But this is all getting after some key areas. Token classification. Okay. This has to do with security versus commodity. What is this going to look like? Are there going to be specific tokens and coins that are going to be more desirable after regulation comes down? Now, you guys know if you listened to my channel before, but I'll reiterate it here. I want to be looking in the areas of ISO compliant, tokenization, and US-based cryptos. Those 3 boxes, if all 3 are checked, I'm all in. That is where I'm trying to build out my portfolio. Now, we've also got to address regulatory fragmentation, meaning, is the SEC, the CFTC, are they both going to be involved? Are they both going to have a role here? How this fits into banking, a lot of this comes back to stablecoins and the Genius Act, various disclosures, and then illicit finance is also on the docket. The senators are issuing a request for information, asking for feedback on 35 plus different topics. Stablecoins is in here, custody, investor protection, DeFi exemptions, all kinds of different insights and information. So the link to the text is a long PDF, format in PDF format here if you want to get into it deeper. But we're going to be watching very close on all of this because we can then front run which cryptos we want to get into based on some of the things coming down. So taking a look here, obviously Bitcoin and Ethereum both have ETFs. They're kind of in a league of their own right now, especially Bitcoin. This is going to be big for XRP. All of those things that we just highlighted is going to be big for XRP. It's going to be big for Solana. Okay, we're looking at Cardano, some of these US-based, Stellar XLM, SWI, Chainlink, Hbar, AVAX. All of these are going to be very, very interesting to see how this shakes out. Ondo Finance, Caspa. What's going to happen here? That's the big question, right? And again, finding these assets that are already ISO compliant. You look at Hbar, they've been in the good graces of the SEC for a really long time. And XRP and XLM kind of, go hand in hand. Algorand is another one. Algorand's a little bit further down this list, ranked 44. I love this one. And full stop, they're up 85% here in the last month. I've been a partner with Algorand for 5-6 months now. To me, they're severely undervalued given what's coming at a $2.5 billion market cap. Not financial advice. We'll see what happens. but they've come off the basement pretty nicely here and basically doubled in price in the last month. But this is an ISO-compliant crypto, US-based, in the area of tokenization. Those are some of the things I'm looking for, right? In terms of where I'm going to put my money, where I want to go. Now, if you want to trade top cryptos, crypto.com, we got a big deal with them running right now. It's totally free to sign up. You could trade one pair for free for 365 days. We got BITUNIX, where you can trade all different types of assets. And you got BTCC, all three exchanges linked down below. You'll find those links underneath that free newsletter. So start here, free newsletter, guys. Get signed up today. Highly encourage you guys to check it out. But that is the big news from the Senate Banking Chair, Senator Tim Scott, along with Lummis, Haggerty, and Bernie Moreno. They have just released their long-awaited market structure discussion draft, and this is going to be built upon over time here. And we're going to be locked in. So make sure you are too. Click that subscribe button so you don't miss out on anything we put out right here on the channel. And for a third time, get the free newsletter, guys. It's totally free. Sign up. I'm going to drop information and alpha to you guys 3 days a week for free. All right. Appreciate you all for watching. We'll see you in the next one. Peace out.